Hi, today we are in Yishun to check out a 3-room HDB flat designed by MUJI, and it shows the simplicity and the functionality of the space. And I'm Yiting, interior designer of MUJI Singapore Renovation, and today I will guide you around the space. Here's a bit of background. This 3-room HDB resale flat measures 730 square feet and includes a welcoming living room, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Upon entering the house, you can feel how open and welcoming the space is, and this is perfect for hosting and relaxing. Wooden panels are selected for the shelves to make the space more cozy, while the engineered wood flooring is both visually appealing and scratch-resistant. Completing the dining area is a beautiful extendable rubber wood table that offers versatility for both daily meals and gatherings. To fulfill the homeowner vision of open concept storage, we have used MUJI iconic stainless steel unit shelving. The shelf is suspended from a small ceiling, which is also known as kotenjo in Japanese. This kotenjo design minimizes the needs for a false ceiling and provides flexibility that can adapt to future needs. Kotenjo also serves the multiple functions. Firstly, as you can see, it supports the sliding door that conceals the stacking shelf behind for the homeowner to keep his shoe collections. It houses the light above to create a warm glow that highlights the natural oak tones and enhances the overall cozy ambience. Before entering to the kitchen, you will notice our kamoi system, which is this wooden beam structure that you can actually add on the sliding door to keep the space separated yet connected. We have chosen translucent sliding door for the soft light diffusion and to create the indirect lighting above at the same time. For the kitchen, we have selected a contrasting colors, which is a soothing white theme that creates a clean and minimal design. Above the sink, lights are installed closer to the worktop to provide better brightness while cooking. Over here, we remove the wall to extend the kitchen area to bring in more natural light and airflow. While built-in cabinets are common, we have used the modular MUJI stainless steel unit shelf for the kitchen laundry rack to preserve an airy feel. To complement the seamless minimalist design, we have chosen lastic flooring to achieve this raw cement appearance that is free of visible tile lines. By removing the wall in between the living and the common bedroom, it actually creates a spacious layout for entertaining and relaxing. At the same time, we also incorporate with our kamoi system that you can easily add on the sliding door to segregate the area. Designed with the homeowner passion for music in mind, the room features soundproof panel on the kamoi sliding door and walls, making it perfect for focused work and recording session. Across the bedroom is where the common bathroom is. We have adopted a pebble textured material for the flooring that connects the space to nature. Additionally, we have installed MUJI bathroom accessories made from durable aluminum, which is available exclusively to MUJI Renovation customers. Come, let's move on to the master bedroom. And for this room, we keep the design simple but functional. Here, we have fitted in a MUJI king-size bed with additional underbed storage. At the foot of the bed, a work desk, wardrobe, and the storage system has been seamlessly combined into a single unit using kotenjo and MUJI stainless steel unit shelf. The shelf height and length can be adjusted, and additional panels and accessories can be introduced and repurposed anytime. Next, we move on to the master bathroom. In the compact space, we have swapped the original bifold door for a space-saving sliding door. The master bathroom features the same pebble textured flooring as the common bathroom. We help the homeowner to fulfill his wish to install a bathtub for a relaxing and comfortable space to unwind. We have reached the end of our home tour, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how this MUJI home blends simplicity with functionality and flexibility. Thank Thank you for being with us, and we will see you again in our next video.